I built them up so carefully, but they never stood a chance. I filled every crack with hope, painted strength on every side, told the world I didn't need you, held my breath and hoped they'd see all the armor I'd imagined, all the lies I tried to sell. But the truth was in the trembling every time you met my eyes. One word and I was breaking, one touch and I came undone. 'Cause these paper walls look strong until you lean on them at all. One breath and they fall apart, scattering the pieces of my guarded heart. I tried so hard to stand up tall, but I was never built to bear that weight. You saw right through it all. My paper walls, I tucked away each fear so neatly, stacked them where you couldn't see. Thought if I could hide the fragile, you might stay a while with me. But the rain kept seeping in through the layers of my doubt, and the moment that you touched me, all the truth came pouring out. One look and I was shaking, one sigh and I came undone. 'Cause these paper walls look strong until you lean on them at all. One breath and they fall apart, scattering the pieces of my guarded heart. I tried so hard to stand up tall, but I was never built to bear that weight. You saw right through it all. My paper wall. Maybe I was scared to show the softness deep inside. Maybe I believed that love was something I'd be denied. But you held the broken pieces like they mattered after all. And I learned that even when I'm fragile, I can stand when you're by my side. These paper walls aren't meant to keep out every rise and fall. I'm learning not to fear the cracks. Let the light shine through the places I've held back. I don't need to stand up tall, not when I have someone to lean on through it all. You help me see beyond my paper walls. I'm stronger now because I let them fall.